Hello students, today we are going to discuss brain teasers of chapter 6. Till now we have discussed worksheet 7 of this chapter. Now I am starting with first question B part. A part is multiple choice question. You will try to do yourself, and if you find any problem while solving, you can discuss those questions with me during live class. Now first question B part. Your mom has a sum of rupees X. She spent rupees 3000 on grocery and rupees 2000 on milk. Write the algebraic expression for the amount left with her. Now, mother is having total money X rupees. Money spent total 3000 and 2000, that is equal to rupees 5000. So, money left will be equal to total money minus money spent. And we have to write the algebraic expression for that. And this is the algebraic expression that you have to find. Next question. Digit in the ones place of a two-digit number is twice the digit at the tens place. We are to write that number. Two-digit number, it means it has ones and tens place, and the digits are such that digit at tens place we will suppose X, and we are said that ones place is twice the tens place digit. So if we are taking our tens place as X, then the ones place will be double of this, that is 2x. And to get the number obtained, we will write 10 multiplied by the digit at the tens place and 1 multiplied by the digit at the ones place. Because suppose I want to write 56, I have to write 5 into 10 and 6 into 1, the expanded form of the number. In the same way I have done it, right? Now 10x plus 2x, it became 12x. Next question, if a notebook cost rupees P and a pencil cost rupees S, then what will be the cost of two notebooks and three pencils? Two notebooks will be of rupees P multiplied by 2, that is 2P, and three pencils will be of rupees S multiplied by 3, that is 3S. So total cost will be equal to rupees 2P plus 3S. Okay. Now D part. What will you get if 3 times x is subtracted from the largest two-digit number? We all know that largest two-digit number is 99. And 3 times x is equal to 3x. We are to find that what will we get if 3 times x is subtracted from largest two-digit number, that is 99 minus 3x. This will be our answer. Next question. Rohit travels by car with the speed of x km per hour for 2 hours and 3 hours with the speed of y km per hour. Write the expression for total distance travelled by him. So first we will find the distance covered with the speed of x km per hour in 2 hours. Initially he has travelled for 2 hours with the speed of x km per hour. So distance will be speed multiplied by time, x into 2, that is 2x. Now distance covered in 3 hours when the speed was y km per hour. Again speed into time. So 3 into y, 3 kilometers. So the total distance covered will be equal to 2x plus 3y. And that is in the kilometers. Next question. I am doing after this question number 14. Rest all are very easy questions. You all will solve the questions yourself and still if you found any problem, I surely will discuss with you in live class. In a bus, X passengers have taken tickets of rupees 5 each and Y passengers have taken tickets of rupees 10 each. Getting the meaning of this statement? X passengers boarded the bus. They have taken the ticket of rupees 5 each. Then next Y passengers came and they have taken the ticket of rupees 10 each. We are to find the total number of passengers. That will be clearly X and Y, sum of these two, right? And then we are to find the total fare received by the conductor. Fare received from X passengers is equal to 5 into X. Then that became rupees 5x. Now fare received from Y passengers rupees 10 into Y, that is rupees 10y. So total fare received in all is equal to rupees 5x plus 10y. Okay. So this is the total money collected, and now your homework is to complete your BT of chapter 6. Thank you.